Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to export a high quality video on CapCut. So here I'm going to show you the export settings that you can use so that your videos won't be in low quality, but instead it's in the high quality. So first, before you export, click on the resolution box at the top here. Okay, first change the resolution into 1080p and then the frame rate into 30. So this is the settings that you need to use to export your high quality video, and after that you can just go back and click on the arrow here to export your video and you are done. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Thank you.